Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, KC Venugopal and Kumari Shelja have now arrived at the Narayangarh for a public meeting as per a schedule issued by the party. The Yatra will cover Narayangarh, Sadhora, Mulana Shahbad, Ladwa and Thanesar in 3 districts of North Haryana. This is going to be Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's first visit to the state to campaign for the assembly elections. Those are again the details that are coming in at this point of time. My colleague Anand is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Anand, now of course we know that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra have now arrived in Narayangarh, but give our viewers a better understanding on that front.
Yeah, look, Savri, the Congress is starting its Rath Yatra from this Narayangarh, which is also considered the strong bastion of the Congress party stalwart Kumari Shelja. So along with Rahul Gandhi, as you can see behind me, who is the leader of opposition, his sister and party general secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, party general secretary organization KC Venugopal, former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, and then Kumari Shelja, they all have arrived over here at the stage to address the public meeting, after which they will be kick-starting the Rath Yatra from this Narayangarh in Haryana till Kurukshetra, and they will be passing through 6 of the assembly seats here in Haryana, where they will be campaigning for the party candidates. So first, while starting from Narayangarh, they will be first reaching Yamunanagar, and from there they will go to Ambala, and from Ambala they will enter Kurukshetra, and by the evening they will address 2 more public meetings, one in Kurukshetra and one in Ambala too. So this is how the Congress is planning to kick off the campaign for the final leg, as Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, both the brother-sister siblings, they have arrived over here so that they can give more star power to the Congress campaign, and they can appeal the voters to vote for the grand old party, where the Congress is contesting against BJP to wrest from power from them, because the BJP has been ruling here for the last 10 years, and Congress leaders are not leaving any stones unturned to ensure that they come back to power in the state, which they consider a very crucial for them. Back to you, Savri.
Right, absolutely. Again, you know, what we see, of course, Anand, is I believe Kumari Shelja over there speaking to the public at this point of time. What more can you tell us as far as these elections are concerned? What is the strategy with which the Congress is then going to Haryana?
Yeah, look, Asavri, the Congress campaign, they have put out a very strong campaign in the state. We have seen earlier that how Kumari Shelja had herself conducted a yatra across the state, and then she is once again back into the campaign fray, as she is campaigning for the party candidates, whether it was in Hisar, Assam, where Rahul Gandhi had earlier went there and also addressed the public meeting, and now today in her stronghold of Ambala, she has arrived here in Narayangarh, and she is addressing the public over here, urging the people to vote for them. And even if we talk about former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, he is not focusing on his constituency, that is the Gadi Sampla Kiloi, whereas he is campaigning extensively along with his son separately in the state to address more and more public meeting for the party's candidate. Even as we have seen that today is the first time that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has arrived over here, whereas Rahul Gandhi has campaigned here in the state, and he has addressed several rallies also. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, she will be also campaigning here in the coming days in the assembly constituencies of Julana, from where star wrestler Vinesh Fogart is contesting, and even in Bhavani Khera, from where party's candidate Pradeep Narwal is also contesting. So the Congress is focusing more and more to reach out to the voters in the last phase of the crucial campaigning trail, so that it can manage more votes and more seats in the 90-member Assembly of Haryana. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Anand. Now, this is all, of course, happening. You know, what the news, of course, we got this morning was that the Haryana Congress has expelled 10 leaders for 6 years due to you know, activities that, of course, did, you know, the activities, anti-party activities ahead of the assembly elections. Now, of course, you know, with that in the backdrop, how does this then transpire?
Yeah, look, Asavri, if we talk especially about Chitra Sarwara, who along with 9 other leaders have been suspended for the anti-party activities for 6 years. So Chitra Sarwara was considered to be very getting the ticket from Ambala Kant. However, the party decided to field Parvinder Pal Pari from here, and Parvinder Pal Pari is considered very close to Kumari Selja. So after the tickets were announced, Chitra Sarwara filed her nomination as an independent candidate in the Haryana elections, and looking at the anti-party activities, the party decided to expel her from the party on the disciplinary grounds for 6 years. And it's worth to mention that Chitra Sarwara was the leader who gave a very tough fight to Anil Vij of the BJP, who is a 6-time sitting MLA from Ambala Kant. And that in 2019 she contested as INLD candidate, and she just failed short of around 3600 votes. So looking at the factionalism that due to which several of the party candidates could not get the ticket in this assembly election, they decided to go in the elections as independent candidates. So looking at the disciplinary anti-discipline of these leaders, the party decided to expel them for 6 years on disciplinary ground. So it's very interesting that several of the leaders from the Congress has been expelled on these grounds, as they are going to cut the vote of the Congress party. And
Right.
even when we spoke to Kumari Selja, she had told us that party is bigger than the party is bigger than themselves, and one has to work for the party and the organization and to
Right.
strengthen it instead of keeping personal aspirations.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.